Hello and welcome back to the CCL channel. We all know that the Tesla Powerwall offers a host of great features for home energy storage, including backup functionality. But what if your customer doesn't have a requirement for home backup? Today we're going to look at the non-backup functionality now available with Tesla Powerwall and investigate the differences in terms of setup and hardware and why your customers may prefer a non-backup installation. Tesla has now manufactured over 1 million Powerwalls worldwide, and they've just introduced a faster, simpler, and more affordable way to install them. Until now, every Powerwall installation required a Tesla gateway, even if the homeowner didn't want or need power backup. But that's no longer the case. Now, for projects where backup isn't needed, Powerwall can simply be installed just with the Tesla remote meter, connected via an RS485 cable. In terms of installation, the remote power meter is far simpler to install over the gateway. It does require its own power source. This would typically be taken from the consumer unit. Some consideration must be given to the installation location of the remote power meter, as the maximum length of the CT cable is 8.5 meters. This is using two of the Tesla CT 3.5 meter extensions. However, for the majority of installations, this would never be an issue. The RS485 cable from the meter can run up to a maximum of 100 meters to the location of the Powerwall. So, what are the benefits of a non-backup solution? Number one, lower cost. Without the gateway, customers could save around £1,000 to £1,500 per installation, which is substantial if there is no need to have backup power in the home. Number two, faster installs and a simpler setup. Avoiding the gateway cuts about half a day off installation time for the project. All you need is the Tesla remote meter and cable for the RS485 connection, no extra hardware and less complexity. It's important to note that with this setup, there is also a lot less disruption for the customer, as their power to the consumer unit doesn't need to be disconnected and rerouted to the gateway, meaning minimal interference and liability for you. Another advantage is space saving. You need additional space to install the gateway. If there isn't a suitable location, or if space is at a premium, the non-backup solution may be the better option. And number three, flexibility. If your customer changes their mind later, they can easily upgrade to full backup by swapping the remote meter for a gateway, allowing them to have whole home backup and take full advantage of some of Tesla's smart features such as Stormwatch. Running Tesla Powerwall without backup doesn't mean that you are limiting any of the other great features available. The system can still be expanded up to 94.5 kilowatt hours of storage on a site. It still allows up to 80 kilowatts of PV with 4 Powerwalls, and it doesn't affect the 10-year product warranty. The Tesla Powerwall remote meter and accessories are all available at CCL Components. The Tesla remote meter supports both single and three-phase supplies and comes ready with clamps, harness, antenna, and fixings. It's flexible, simple, and reliable. So contact our team for any questions you have about non-backup installations, or drop us a comment below. We're always happy to help. We hope you found this information helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.